Here's a little bit of an update. This is the horse and carriage barn that belonged to Dr. Asham, where he kept his locomobile. Let's go have a look. Well, here it is. The old carriage house that once held Dr. Asham's locomobile. I stopped one of the apartments and gave them my card and asked if I could take a peek at this, and they said sure. So here it is. And to think that the first automobile in western Wisconsin was kept right in there. Pretty neat. History is fun. There's so many different stories that when you come over here, and that is Summit Avenue there. You can see my Jeep, but you can see Summit Avenue there. And there is the famous Drummond house across the street, which is going to be torn down soon because of a recent development that happened at the Drummond house. And it's kind of a shame that that's going away. But right across the street is Dr. Asham's horseless carriage house for the locomobile. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.